Devonna, I heard that there was a break-in.
Oh my gosh, yes there was. The CCDC office on the 13th floor got broken into while I was away on vacation, and they took our whole desktop. We had so many, all of our actually information was on there, from our bank account statements, and our treasurer actually used her like social security number and all that stuff to actually open up those bank accounts. So it's just a lot of information on there from our funding sources. It's just all of our things were on that computer. So I'm like, what do you do next?
I had a very similar thing happen. So a couple months ago, someone broke into our lab space, and I had a laptop on my desk running calculations, and one of my group members had a laptop on their desk, and both of those laptops were taken. But fortunately, I had attended a data management workshop, and they taught me the 3-2-1 rule. So the 3-2-1 rule is 3 copies of your data, 2 different formats, and one should be geographically far away from the others. And so what I've done is I have my physical copy or my electronic copy on my laptop, and then weekly or more when needed, I use an external hard drive to back it up, and then I also back it up onto UC has a box account with unlimited storage. And so the backups that I had prevented me from losing any data that I had actually gotten on my computer.
Oh my gosh, that's great. Where did you find out this information again?
Through the library. There's actually a data management workshop, so that's where I learned about it. And for me, I was more worried about my computer crashing and losing data. Mm-hmm. But because of that worry, I was able to protect myself from this theft that happened. Right. Unfortunately, my group member had personal information on her laptop, and she lost all of that, and so there's worries about identity theft or something like that. And one thing I did take away from that is that I need to start encrypting my data too. So I think there's resources out there as well for learning how to do that.
Yeah, that's very, very true. Now that I think about it, we do back up some of our stuff on Dropbox just because that's convention, but not thinking of it as a 3-2-1 rule. But having like an external hard drive, like you said, would have been a good idea, to have it in a separate place that's geographically, different than either the cloud space or even having it on our actual computer. That's such great information, and I'm glad you went to the workshop. Now I could recommend it to other people, especially in this department, because we all work with so much data, and then we have so many other things that we do. So this is really good. Thank you.
You're welcome.